In today's video guys, I will be showing to you a new NFT play to earn game that is being made in Vietnam, and it is also available in beta testing, and this is called HeroVerse NFT play to earn. And if you like to know more about this game, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and please help me reach 30,000 subscribers guys. I saw that more than 90% are not subscribed, so please help me reach my goal to get that silver play button. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so it is play to earn instead of play to earn model. Unlike the majority of NFT games that are only focused on earning, they are focusing more on the player's experience on and off the games to create a play and earn balance. So this is the game introduction. So it is the first match 3 puzzle and RPG strategy NFT game. The game doesn't only provide a relaxing and entertaining experience of the match 3 genre, but also keeps the RPG signature elements of exploring and looting. So this is the trailer. Let me just play it to you. So yan. Okay, so that is the gameplay or the trailer of HeroVerse. So it involves a lot of upgrading. So this is the game concept like being explained after that slide. Um, there is an opponents here, and every time you are completing or you are already some sort of a Candy Crush type of game, when you are building these three same elements, or should I call this item or anything, you are able to make a damage into an enemy. Now there are also an upgrade. So into this part over here, you will be able to deal more damage and also improve your defenses when you are upgrading your characters. So there is a daily raid as being pop up here. There's also a tower. There's also a PvP battle, which involves playing with other other player to get some rewards. And also it's been mentioned into the trailer that there is also an AFK. So if you do not have a time, you do not have a luxury to play, you can always opt to play that AFK option that is being shown into the screen. So the value proposition is again play and earn instead of play to earn model. So you can also boost hero strength by crypto price movement. So this make the game more crypto friendly and increase the hero variant. And of course, when you are boosting your hero strength, you will be able to earn money into the future more than what you have right now, because that character can defeat a lot more stronger enemies, and in turn you'll be able to get more rewards on that. Now for the game economic, there is two types of token, which is pre-minted and unlimited, but it hasn't been shown what are those two tokens. So let's now go forward into the earn mechanism of HeroVerse. So you'll be able to earn via trading. So you just need to sell your heroes and item at the marketplace, and you can now earn from it. And you can also rent it out if you do not want to sell it, but you want other people who wants like to use it, and you want to get a rewards from that, you can choose an option of renting. Now there's also a gacha type, which is a lucky spin function. So the players will be profitable if they are lucky enough to open valuable rare heroes. But take in mind that this kind of gacha, this kind of mechanism is an RNG based. There's no assurance that you will be getting a rare. You might get also a common. You might also get a legendary or the most unique of them all, but you will just know it after you've already opened your gacha. Now also you will be able to earn rewards via quests, via PvP, via tower conquest and even clan event. So they are also promoting group clans wherein you need to battle with other clans as well for you to be able to earn cash into HeroVerse. Okay, so this is the roadmap that I want to show to you guys. So they've already done their IDO, they're already done their staking, their marketplace in Hero NFT sales. Now they are just looking for the release of the game. And also on December, they're going to release their Tower Conquest. On January 2022, they're going to release their PvP. For February, they were going to release their event land. And for the March, next year, they will also release the governance function wherein you have a power whenever you have a tokens. It depends on how many tokens that you have. So it's more like a shares, okay? Now, let's now talk about Tokenomic. So the official coin symbol of HeroVerse is her, with a total supply of 1 billion her, and also the hard cap is at 1.6 million with the seed sale of 450,000. 1 million is reserved to the private sale. 225,000 is reserved for the public sale. The initial circulating supply that is not include liquidity is at 26,583,000, which is more likely, I'm not sure if this is 2.5% of the total supply, and the token valuation is at 15 million. Now this is the vesting schedule. So if you do not know anything about vesting schedule, this is where the investors can be able to withdraw their money that they've already invested earlier. So the team and advisor has 6 months fully locked vesting. Then they can unlock it over 18 months. Now, there's also a vesting schedule for the marketing, ecosystem, public sale, and even the foundation. So this is the token allocation as been mentioned. 25% automatically goes into the ecosystem, 20% goes to the foundation, 20% goes to the team and advisors, 5% goes to the seed round, 8.5% is on the private round, and 20% is for the liquidity and the marketing. Now for the team member, this is fully doxed as well too, because you can see that this is the people behind HeroVerse rather, which is the CEO Daniel Nguyen, a former CEO and CTO of Interactive and Minet Asia, Trong Duc Phong, which is the game director and also lead designer at the Hiker game, and it goes on and on and on, which is also the founders of other companies as well. So you can see that these kind of team members that has been involved into HeroVerse are all CEOs, all high-ranking officials of their own companies. So you can see that they are going to excel in terms of decision makings and also preserving the ecosystem and also balancing the game as well. So this is everything that you need to know about HeroVerse. Also, you can join, I think, their Telegram group. This is also into their this is also their white paper. So if you have any concerns about HeroVerse, do not forget to check this one out, because it also simplifies everything that you need to know. Now, I'm also going to put all of the social media links below of HeroVerse, so make sure to check this one out, guys. And also do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys, and see you on the next video.